So I decided to upgrade my workbench by taking my old plywood top off and putting a melamine top with T-track. So to do that, I had to get my old tabletop off, and of course there was one screw left behind. So once I got that taken out, I had to get that old 3/4 inch top taken off, and it was just heavy and aggravating to deal with. But we got it off, and then of course we had to take the old walk of shame to get it out of the shop. So I got the new piece of melamine brought in and got it rough placed onto my tabletop. So the new piece was 4x97, so I had a little bit of overhang on each end of the workbench. But once we got laid up there, we got it squared up, and I rough laid in my T-track to know where it would sit, so that way I wouldn't put my melamine screws into my T-track path. So for this design, I had 2 rows the width of the bench and the 4 rows the length of the bench. Now, I use PowerTech track on this. I will leave a link in the description. No affiliation, I just like the products. Once I got the long paths done, I come back and had to start doing the short paths. Now to do this, I used a speed square to make sure that the cuts going across the width of the bench was going to be square to the ones on the length of the bench. Then I used a 3/4 inch router bit to actually inlay where the track will go.
Next phase is going to be to actually take our little ninja knives, these little intersection pieces, and put these at each intersection and get those things squared up. And what I do like about this style of track system is you have a point for the intersection and then you have a square end to butt up your cuts. So we're going to do all 8 intersections and then we'll come back and fill the rest of it in. So let's get to work. So I've got all the intersections done that you can kind of see down through there, and they turned out awesome. So now it's time to actually cut the pieces that go in between the intersections. So crossroads, I guess you could say. Backstreet Boys, NSYNC, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna cut these with a chop saw, and then we'll be done. So that's it. This project is done and I love the way it turned out. The T-track is absolutely awesome to use. It was easy to work with and super easy to get installed. So check this thing out. So that's it for this one. It's a super cheap, easy install to improve your shop. So if you've done this or you want to do it, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did do this, leave a comment on this video so I know that I was able to help you. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.